Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add color swatch in Shopify. This is really easy, so we'll just go and click on add apps here. Now in the bottom go to Shopify App Store, and once you're here on the search bar, let me show you the good one, GLO color swatch. Just right here and you will get it. Now here you will always able to find it, usually this one, so just go and click on GLO color swatch variant image. Now go and click on install. If you want to see the demo store how it looks, so of course you will see a different kind of color swatch here and a different style. You will get the full authority to change it, and you can just change it however you want. Now go and click on install. It will take a few seconds of your time. Now here color swatch is also paid, but you can use it for the free. It is free for up to the 100 products. So we are going to use only this current plan here. Now here in the right side bottom, you will see this option of continue as free. Again, click on continue as free if you want to go for free here. Now you will have to select the theme. So I have the theme of Dawn here, and there's a different kind of themes which I have in my theme section. So I will just go and select my Dawn live theme and go to the theme editor if you want to do it. And here, let's say I will do it later. Now here we can start crafting our unique swatches. So you can just sync your online store. So let's say I will just go and click on update data. It will take a few seconds to synchronize your data, right? And once it's done, here you can just go and click on customize as you need, and here you will get a different kind of preset. Well, these are the preset is free in only paid plan, but here you can use a 3-1. So I like this one, right? And this one in fact, so I can just go and click, because you will see color swatches, buttons, drop down, and there's a lot of option, right? So I just want to add a swatches because this is what the video for, and I want these swatches to be in squares. I can just go and change the square here, right? As well as the circle looks fine. I can increase the size if I want to. I can also increase the spacing, right? So I will just make the size like this, and alignment I will make it as a center, and the type you can just make it a single, none, or double, right? The border. So that's fine, the double is good. I will just, this looks pretty good. You can change the color, and this will show that, for example, image zoom in, right? So once I take the mouse, you can see there's a zoom in image here. This is pretty good. And if I just turn it off, then you will see there's a no zoom in the images in the color swatches. So instead of color swatches, you can also add different variation of a product. But if you want to go for color swatches instead of color variations, instead of cloth variation, you can just add color swatches. Now this is a scale up here, so I just like the none feature here. For example, if you want to go for scale up, so as you can see here, the image will go bigger, right? If you want to float down, so here, as you can see here, so there's a lot of animation which looks really good. So I like the zoom one, which is pretty fast one. And once everything is done, right, just go and click on save. And for example, if you want to add the color swatches, then here in the preview, just go and click on color, and you will see this is how color looks like, right? And this is pretty easy thing to do. And once everything is done, just go and click on save. On the collection page, you can also add and edit your collections as well as. So this is a pretty interesting one. And once you have customized, you can just go to your product variation and make sure that you have variant of colors. So I've added the variant of colors here, that is black, bronze, and gold. Now if I just go to my store profile here, as you can see here, I have the color swatches. As you can see, it's look pretty good. And if I just go to my store editor, you can see this is a color swatches, right? And here once I add the swatches, I will get this option of circle and square. If you want to enable swatches on product option, just go on it, click on it. You will be redirected to a new page here, and it will show you. But I give you a full variation that how you can just do this. You can edit it out and you can just do a lot of stuff. And once everything is done, make sure to like this video, subscribe.